Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking basics. Know your model and Android version, and make sure battery is above 20%. This prevents interruptions. Once done, remove any case or external keyboards, then press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. You will see Restart and Power Off. Tap Power Off and hold it for 3 seconds, then press Restart when the screen prompts. This attempts a normal reboot that often clears a stuck safe mode state because it resets the driver stack. If the first reboot fails, force a restart. Press and hold power plus volume down for 10 to 15 seconds until the device reboots. This kills hung services and often exits safe mode. If safe mode persists, boot into recovery by powering off, then holding power plus volume up or manufacturer-specific combo to access recovery and choose Clear Cache Partition. This removes temporary files that can trigger safe mode without erasing your apps or personal data. Finish by booting normally and confirming apps run. Go to Settings, right arrow about to verify system status. If safe mode returns, uninstall the most recent third-party apps or disable them in Settings because a misbehaving app often forces safe mode. Once you remove the culprit, restart to verify. If nothing helps, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if the device re-enters safe mode immediately, test with a spare SIM and external accessories removed to rule out hardware triggers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.